Yeah.
And then, the carbon dioxide we breathe and the plants then sequester.
Well, our disconnection to nature might be a part of our disconnection to psychedelics. That might be one of the reasons why we're disconnected, is we're lacking a crucial element that's there to humble the human species. And
Yes.
I think
That's the great key.
I think
Humility.
that's part of it. I really do. And I think that these monsters that were trying to silence the anti-war and the civil rights movement in the 1970s by making those things illegal,
Yep.
they hampered our development, but not all of it, right? So our technological development continued, but our spiritual development ceased.
Yeah, and intellect devoid of wisdom is dangerous.